Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and in this video I'm reviewing a Wigoo Windshield Sunshade for the Chevy Silverado between 2019 and 2026. So this is the package that the sunshade comes in. Here on the back they show you how to install it and how to store it. This is what you have inside the package. It is shrink wrapped, and I'd like to point out as well that it apparently comes with a lifetime warranty. So as you can see on this edge here, there's a little perforation there. You just go ahead and tear across the top. So here you have it in its carrying bag. There's just a little Velcro closure here, and you can pull out the sunshade itself. Now it's basically a wire frame with a reflective plastic material overlying it, and it's one of those that unfolds out of the circle. And there you go. That's the whole thing here, unfolded. It's got reflective material on one side and black plastic material on the other side, and it is surprisingly thin, so we'll see how well it works. It's basically just 2 layers of plastic on top of each other. So let's go ahead and put it in. All right, so we have it in here. And as far as fitment goes, I would say that it's actually fits pretty well, which is good because it was reportedly custom made for the Chevy Silverado. As you can see, it covers nearly every part of the windshield. It's not too large to where it's bulging out or anything like that. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how well it fits. These little corners here are very soft, and so they kind of fall away a little bit, but they do fit into the corners there. You can see that one can be tucked into place there to cover it up better. And then you have a little Velcro closure there. So overall, I'd say it fits pretty well. Here's a shot of what it looks like from the outside. You can see really it does block out all the corners there and fits it pretty well. So I can already tell this is going to result in a cooler interior, just because it has that reflective exterior and it blocks the light so well that it doesn't allow the sun to come in and beat down on the interior. So that alone will decrease the temperature. I don't know that it's going to cause the interior of your car to be 70 degrees like it reports in the photo on Amazon. However, I think it's probably going to be cooler than if you did not have something blocking the sun. And if you had something blocking the sun that was not covering the windshield quite as well, I think this would do a better job as well. And really, for the price point of 20 bucks, that's a lot cheaper than some of the other custom windshield sunshades that you can get on the market right now. Honestly, it's about half price compared to those. Bring the 2 sides together, fold the top part down, and then that will form a ring here, and then you basically just overlap the rings and shrink them into a smaller circle, and then you can put it back into the sleeve. And to do that, you just open up your Velcro closure and slide it back in. There you go. All right, so overall thoughts on this thing. The overall size of it when it is folded down into its carrying sleeve, it's very small. You can easily stow it away in your truck with no issues. You can slide under the seat or wherever you want to put it. It has a very small footprint. That's one thing that I really like about it. Honestly though, if you didn't want to go through the hassle of trying to fold it back into the 3 little circles and put it back in the sleeve every time, it's really not too bad to just have it folded in half, and it's pretty thin. You can lay it in the back seat or stuff it between the seats or something like that, and it's really not going to take up that much space. Overall, I think it's a good option if you're wanting to block the sunlight from hitting your dash and maybe reduce the temperature of the interior of your vehicle a little bit. I don't think this is going to be something that's going to insulate your car from the heat of the sun. And if that's what you're looking for, and you're looking to not break the bank with a more expensive custom fit sunshade, I think this is a good option for you. So it's only 20 bucks. You can get it on Amazon. If you purchase it, it does help support my channel, just like any product that you could purchase through one of my links. So I would encourage you to purchase it through the link if you're going to buy it. Of course, if you have any questions, please let me know, and hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.